Hey, good morning. It's Tim here from Expert Power Wash. I know it's been a while. We've been super jammed up and busy, but I just wanted to make a quick video. There was a couple parts that I was changing out here at the shop, and I know I didn't do an in-progress type of video, but I do want to show you something that's a little tip and something that you can look out for as you're working on your roof pump. Let's take a look. All right, we're here at the top of my tanks. This is a 55-gallon bleach tank, and then just kind of couple ways I have it plumbed up here. This is my bleach fill, but more importantly, what I wanted to show you is this three-way here. So pointing up, it's going to pull water from the water tank. If I point it down, it's going to pull bleach out of here. Well, there's lots of little failure points, and next time this one goes, we are going to use the upgraded Banjo one. There's a Power Wash store sells a one that's a little bit more robust, but keep in mind when you turn these, you may want to support this because there is a little give here. You may want to support this every time you're turning this. Otherwise, you're putting pressure at different points on this. So again, another little free tip there. But replace this. And then there was another one down here on this hose reel. You can see that it is no longer there. When I took off the super swivel and the three-way that was on here, it was just crusted with all kinds of rust and goop and all kinds of stuff. So I decided that I wasn't going to run my roof pump hose through the hose reel anymore. I was one that like, they're fine, even though everybody else said not to do it. And I held out as long as I could, but this year I decided that it's no longer worth it. I have a little jump hose right there. It's cam locked. We've used this already on a couple different jobs and it's worked just fine. So I'll stick with that, and we'll see how that works the rest of the season. But like I said, there's no issues with cam locking it. There's no leaks or anything like that. So, all right, I'm gonna jump off the back of the truck here and gone over to my workbench. All right, so here's one here. Hopefully you can see that split. This is something to look out for. So this one, when these things split, obviously it lets in air. And then your roof pump, you're gonna notice all kinds of issues. So there's that one. I'm not sure which one of these was. I think this one was on the hose reel. So interesting enough, when I started having issues and I started going through the parts, both three-way valves were bad. So there's that one, and then this one, let me see. Oh, there it is. Try to get the right light. You can see that split there. So these things can break. Like I said, kind of support them when you're turning the handles. But I just wanted to kind of show you, if you're having issues with your roof pump, this is something that you probably want to take a look at and inspect pretty regularly, because these things do go out. Hey, I hope that helps everybody. You guys have a great day. We'll see you soon.